Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saida Shaista Batul. Welcome to my channel Zero Logic. As I believe that our content present our souls. All the souls in this world somehow have the same traits, but also they celebrate their differences. According to the dictionary, the human nature is a concept that donates the fundamental of disposition and characteristics. What is the disposition? Disposition means their way of thinking, their handling, their readiness, their steadiness, their feeling, but all beings somehow share the same traits, same characteristics, all the characteristics, but there are some differences among them. That is because of their culture where they belong to. So about the borders, cultures, and we just think about the human nature. All humans have the same feeling. All humans are actor by nature. As we know that astrology has lot to do with the human nature. So today's videos I'm going to discuss about some famous personalities which belong to the Aquarius zodiac sign, but their moon rising is Aquarius, their sun rising and their rising signs I don't know about that. As per the Wikipedia information which I have collected, that they are the Aquarius personality. Famous Pakistani Aquarius personality based on the information which I collected from the Wikipedia. Okay, so today I have to discuss too many famous personalities. Many of them are my very favorite. In fact, all of them are my favorite. So today I'm going to discuss them. I'm not going to waste your time. Today we will start the video. So let's start the video. No, before starting the video, I will request all of you, please subscribe to my channel, comment down below, like and share, and please press the bell icon so you will be stay tuned with me for my upcoming videos. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, let's moving towards our today's video's topic, that is the famous Pakistani Aquarius personalities. Our first Pakistani famous Aquarius personality. Even I have not categorized the people who are not with us anymore, but still they have played a vital role in a society, and they is like a shining star. Still they are alive in our heart and in our mind, and still once we discuss about their areas where they have done fabulous, marvelous job, we cannot forget about them. That's why I will be adding the few Aquarius people whom are not living but still alive because of their work. First Aquarius personality which I am going to discuss is the Faiz Ahmed Faiz, whom was brilliant poet, a Pakistani poet who has done a marvelous job in the field of poetry. Written so many poems, and if we think about his poetry, he has done a superb job. No one can forget his name. If you are little bit interested in the poetry, you will must be knowing his name, his marvelous poetry job which he has done. So Faiz Ahmed Faiz date of birth was 13th Feb 1911, and his birthplace was Narwal, Pakistan. Okay, moving toward the second famous personality who has done a marvelous job in literacy. Also she belongs to the Pakistan, and that is Uzma Islam Khan. Uzma Islam Khan's date of birth is 19th February 1969. Uzma Islam Khan is a Pakistani writer. She has written 5 novels. Her 5 novels include Trespassing, The Geometry of the God, Thinner the Skin, and Miraculous True History of Nomia. Okay, moving toward our third Aquarius personality, that is Tamina Durrani. Tamina Durrani is the spouse of Shahbaz Sharif. Her birth is 18 February 1959. A Pakistani author, artist, athlete, and she has written on the women's rights. She was the first lady who spoke up against this patriarchy system, and she was the first woman lady who has got to bring up his abusive marital affair in front of the public. And first book, My Feudal Lord, which was published in 1991, has mentioned how she has suffered in her marriage, mostly in Pakistan, especially in the Pakistan. The women are afraid to bring these affairs in front of public because they know that people are going to point them if they are going to talk in front of public that their husbands are abusive. Because in our society, in Pakistani society, the women are not allowed to talk against their husband. So this shows her Aquarius nature, her rebellious nature, how powerful she was, and she was not afraid of anyone, and she brought this abusive affair in front of public to show that she is the true Aquarius. This shows her true Aquarius side. Okay, moving third personality, Muhammad Ali Sadpara. Muhammad Ali Sadpara was born February 1976. Muhammad Ali Sadpara is one of the climber mountain. He has done his job as a porter first, and Muhammad Ali Sadpara is a Pakistani mountaineer. He is the part of the team that successfully achieved the first ever winter summit on Naga Parbat in 2016. Both his teammate Alex Antixa and Suman Moro have record that they could not have done it without the Sadpara brilliance. All his friends and have admitted that they couldn't have done their mission without the Sadpara brilliance. This Muhammad Ali Sadpara was one of the adventurous climber who has done a marvelous job in the history of Pakistan. So Muhammad Ali Sadpara is the one of the shining name in the Pakistani history, who was very courageous, very daring, and this show his true Aquarius side. This show his true Aquarius side, how he has achieved, how he has climbed up in Naga Parbat without oxygen, and even he has passed away in just few days ago. It's really sad. Just because he was trying to climb up on K2. So, but still the K2, we can name the K2 as Muhammad Ali Sadpara's mountain, because Muhammad Ali Sadpara has done. It's really making me upset, because I thought I will not cry, but I am unable to control my tears. But still he is alive, and he has done the marvelous job, and he is still our hero. He is alive in our heart, and we cannot maybe we will be unable to find one more Muhammad Ali Sadpara in the history of Pakistan. Okay, so moving toward the fourth personality, that is also Aquarius personality, that is the Abda Parveen. Abda Parveen was born on 20th February 1954. She is the Pakistani Sufi musician and composer and director and producer. She has done the marvelous job in the history of the Sufi music. No one can compete with her. Abda Parveen is the legendary singer, and still we cannot find the second Abda Parveen in our life or in the history of Pakistan. All these Aquarius personalities which I am mentioning, or which I am going to mention, all are adventurous, all are eccentric, all are humanitarian, and all are the best in their own fields. But the one common thing which we find in the Aquarius, they don't care about the money. Money is the second, not the first priority in their life. What they like, they do, because they are the free spirit. If you see their life history, or even if you see their career which they have chosen, just shows that their first priority was not the money. Their first priority was what they wanted to do, and they were adventurous. If they have interest in anything, they were going to do, even if on the sake of their, or even if on the risk, even if by taking the risk on their lives. Asfa Bhutto Zardari. Asfa Bhutto Zardari was born in 3rd February 1993. She belongs to a political family, and she did not start her career as a politician, but I believe that she will show her humanitarian side, and she will come to help all the people, all the poor people, and she will make some strategies which will helpful for the progress of our country. Okay, so moving toward the next personality, which is also belong to the literature side, that is Ataul Haq Kasmi. Ataul Haq Kasmi was born on Ataul Haq Kasmi was born on 1st February 1943. Ataul Haq Kasmi is a Pakistani Urdu language newspaper columnist, playwright, poet. He has written 20 books and many articles, different subjects for leading newspaper of Pakistan. Next famous personality who belongs to the Pakistani politics, that is Shafkat Mahmood. Shafkat was born in 19 February 1950, and he is the current Minister of the Pakistani Education, and also he is the Federal Minister of Pakistani bureaucrat turned politician who is the current Federal Minister of Pakistani Education and Profession Trades and Federal Minister for the National History and Literacy Heritage. The next famous personality that is also the singing personality, that is Shehzad Rai. Born on 16 February, and he is not only the songwriter, composer, also the producer, and he is the true Aquarius because he has done a marvelous job. He has done marvelous job for the humanity, and he is really a humanitarian, and also he is famous for his charity collection and also his work as an humanitarian to serve the society. Okay, and Shehzad Rai is the songwriter, producer, guitarist, and also a singer. Moving toward the next legendary singer, that she is not with us anymore, but she has done a marvelous job in the history of the singing. She is Malka Pukhraj, 14 February 2004. Malka Pukhraj was highly popular ghazal and folk singer, and her song Abhi To Main Jawan is still very famous, and everyone knows about this song because she plays a vital role in the singing history of the Pakistan. We talk about Aquarius. Aquarius famous personality. They not only have done the critical role in the politics, in climbing, in the adventurous side, or in the singing, but they also have done very important role in the history of Pakistani cricket. So moving toward the next field where the Aquarius have done the marvelous job is the cricket. If we talk about the cricket history, we cannot forget about Shoaib Khan. He was the ex-captain of Pakistan, and he got married with the Sania Mirza, who belongs to the neighboring country, and this shows his true rebellious side, that if he fell in love with someone and he took stand against the society and he got married with her. This is show his true Aquarius side, and all still he has done a marvelous job in the cricket history. Okay, moving toward the second cricketer, that is Fawad Ahmed. Fawad Ahmed was the Pakistani cricketer batsman, and he waited too long, 10 years. Yeah, he waited for 10 years to get chance in the cricket, and still once he got the chance, he has proven himself. So this shows the true Aquarius side, that if Aquarius has to wait for something, and if something is in their mind, they must do this, even they have to wait for the 10 years. On the third, the third cricketer who has done the marvelous job and who is the good cricketer and the batsman is the Azhar Ali, who was born on 19th February. who has done a good job as a cricketer, and he was also explained his Aquarius side very well, his eccentric side, and he is the one who has also achieves his goals. So how Aquarius plays the vital role not only in the poetry, in writing, literature, in politicians, in cricketers. So if we are talking about the different fields, how can we forget the main field of Aquarius, where Aquarius are more interested and they show their true side. Even all the human beings, they are more interested in acting. Acting is natural. Acting is the human nature. We all are actor by birth. Yeah, this we don't have to work so much on this stage. If we want to be an actor, we can do. All of us are actor by birth. Yes, this is what I have read, extract from the dictionary. Okay, so if we talk about the acting field, Pakistani industry has many stars who have shown their bright side, who has done their marvelous job, who has shown their excellent performance in the Pakistani history, drama history, film history. So what we are going to discuss today are the famous Pakistani artists famous Pakistani artists whom are Aquarius. So starting with our legendary Noman Ijaz. Noman Ijaz was born on 14 February 1965. He is a legendary actor. He has done the films and television, and he is an anchor person. He is a TV show representative, senior actor, and he plays a marvelous role. Okay, I was I was listening Noman Ijaz interview, and he says that he is flirty, and this also shows him a true Aquarius because it is a little bit flirtish by nature. Okay, moving toward our second legendary actor, that is Atika Urdu. Atika Urdu was born on 12th February 1968. Evergreen beauty of Pakistani television and film actress. She is the television host, and she is the namesake of her own fundamental. She is the namesake of her own fundamental cosmetic brands which she has introduced, and she has shown her true Aquarius side everywhere, not only in the film industry but also in the cosmetic industry. She has invented new shades for the blusher, for the eyeshadows. So she has done. Cardo has proven her true Aquarius side. Next Aquarius artist whom is Usman Khalid Butt. Usman Khalid Butt was born on 19 February 1986. He is very friendly, loved by everyone, quick wit. So that we remember that Usman Khalid Butt entered in the Pakistani drama by making the spoof of Humsafar. So he is the one who brought up with the different ideas to he was a vlogger, and he was creating very funny and very different types of vlogs. So he made the spoof of Humsafar, so where he got the recognition, and still he is working as one of the finest actor in the Pakistani, not only in the Pakistani drama industry but also in the Pakistani film industry. So he has proven himself, and we see him, we can see his true Aquarius side, because Usman Khalid Butt, I remember one of time I was listening his interview with Mira Sethi, where he was courageous enough or daring enough to discuss against establishment, and he has cleared his viewpoint, and this was showing his daring Aquarius side, and how his sense of humor has built up, and how he talks. Everything has proven him the true Aquarius. If we see him talking, or if we see his rebellious side, it's proof that he is the true Aquarius. Okay, so next, moving toward the next Aquarius personality who's famous for his fashion sense, is Danish Taimur. Danish Taimur was born on 16 February 1983. He has done many films, and also he has done the many Pakistani hit dramas he had given. And if you see him, he has proven himself a true Aquarius. One time I was listening his interview Time Out with Asr Khan, and Aiza was saying that his wife was explaining that once Danish Taimur when Danish Taimur gets angry, if he has to show his anger, he just detached himself, or he just shows his cold side. At that time, it just suddenly clicked into my mind that Danish Taimur is an Aquarius. So suddenly I checked on the Wikipedia, and I was completely right, because Danish Taimur has proven that he is a true Aquarius. And if we talk about his acting skills, also his dressing sense, his personality, and also his decency, everything is up to the mark, and everything is as per his zodiac sign, that is Aquarius. Enchanting personality, Sanam Saeed. Sanam Saeed was born on 2nd February. Sanam Saeed is an Aquarius, a practical, flexible, yet determined. We have seen her dazzle both on television and the silver screen. They come up with the best ideas by dealing with chaotic situation, and seems she has not fun. We are talking about Sanam Saeed. How can we forget our one of the prettiest actress? She is also Aquarius, and she has not only done the marvelous job as an antagonist, but also she has proven herself in the protagonist, where she is one time she is innocent, and one time she is we can say one time she is an innocent, and other time she is very clever, she is very smart, and showing her acting skill and proven herself both in Bala and Bashar moment. Yes, I'm talking about the Ushna Shah. Ushna Shah was born on 2nd February 1990. She is a Pakistani actor who has done the work in Pakistani films and also Pakistani dramas, and she has proven herself very well. And if we talk about her dressing sense, of course she is her fashion sense is also up to the mark, and also her if we talk about her daring side and taking the different role, trying to attempt the different roles, improving herself in the different ways, she has done the marvelous job. Okay, so next legendary actor, very innocent, very charming, very attractive, Behroz Sabzwari. Behroz Sabzwari is also an Aquarius, and he was born on 16 February 1957. Behroz Sabzwari is an actor from Pakistan. Behroz Sabzwari is one of very charming, very kind, and you see a lot of innocency on his face, and you get some special kind of feeling from Behroz Sabzwari. Behroz Sabzwari was born on 19 February 1957, and he has done the marvelous job in Pakistani drama industry. We cannot forget his major project Unkahi, and also his major role which he has performed as the Kabacha. So Kabacha is the evergreen living role. Kabacha is the one of the best role in the history of Pakistani drama industry. Behroz Sabzwari has also achieved a lifetime performance award. Next actor who is Tipu Sharif. Tipu Sharif was born on 7th February. Tipu Sharif was born on 7th February 1978. Tipu Sharif is an actor, singer, songwriter, and Tipu Sharif mother belongs to Izmir. She is a Turkish, and if you see his personality, you can easily guess from his face that he belongs to a neighboring beloved country, Turkey. Seeing recently, I was checking about Tipu Sharif, and I came to know that he is a pet lover, which also shows his true Aquarius side, because Aquarius, they are very kind, not only towards the human being but also towards the animals. Okay, so moving toward our next star, that is Ali Abbas. Ali Abbas was born on 9th February 1984, a Pakistani television and film actor, and we have seen his recent project 1984, and he has proven himself not only in the drama industry but also in the film industry. And we have seen his marvelous role in all the Pakistani dramas, and he has proven himself with his acting skills. And also, if we see his dressing sense, that also make him different and shows him his true Aquarius side. Okay, moving toward the next star. She is very bubbly, charming, witty, and very kind. Yes, I'm talking about our Dilruba's heroine, Hania Amar. Hania Amar has proven herself in Pakistani film industries and also in the drama industries. Hania Amar has in the drama industry. Hania Amar was born in February, and Hania Amar is a Pakistani film and TV actress, student at Advancement of Science and Technology. Okay, so if we are talking about the Pakistani singers, I must have to mention the Fariya Parvez. Fariya Parvez was born on 2nd February 1974, a top Pakistani singer, songwriter, music producer, and also she is famous for the ghazals. Okay, so if we are talking about, okay, so the next the pop singer which I have an Aquarius is the Rabi Pirzada. Rabi Pirzada is also the pop singer, television host, artist, and calligrapher. And Rabi Pirzada was born on 3rd February 1990, VJ turned actress. Madhya Imam. Madhya Imam was born on 8th February 1991, and Madhya Imam has also proven herself not only in Pakistani dramas but also she had played the different role with her innocent face. And moving toward our next Pakistani drama industry artist and film industry artist, that is Kashi Mahmood. Kashi Mahmood is famous for his role as an antagonist. He has played many roles as an antagonist, and he proved his acting skills very well in those roles. He is famous for his villainous role, and he is famous for his negative role in the drama industry, but he has done a marvelous job as a villain. No one level of competition while playing these kinds of roles. But the next Aquarius personality, that is Binesh Chauhan. Binesh Chauhan was born on 7th February 1970, and next she is also very good Pakistani actress and model, best actress. She also got the best actress Lux Style award. Okay, so the next Aquarius personality is Hassan Niazi. Hassan Niazi was born on February 3rd, 1981. He is a Pakistani film and TV actor. Okay. And the next personality is Ayaz Samu. Ayaz Samu was born on 11th February 1987. An actor and Ayaz Samu is an actor, a model, a VJ, a stand-up comedian, a songwriter, host, producer, and he played not only antagonist but also protagonist roles very well. The Aquarius qualities: all Aquarius are analytical, humanitarian, eccentric, independent, easygoing, for the reason. They are the perfect listener, they are unconventional thinker, they are magic sprinkled around the Aquarius. Aquarius embodies many professional things, including the critical thinking. They have some special they are the humanitarian. They have some professional strength, including critical thinking, social consciousness, put their full effort and passion, and they try to grab the attention, having the good knowledge and the broad perspective. Their chameleon trait is to place Aquarius in any setting, and they will adopt without any difficulty their goals, and even if they have to risk their life. I tried my level best to include all the Aquarius personality which I could found from the Wikipedia. So if anyone I couldn't include, is just because I couldn't find them or the information was lacking. Otherwise, I tried my level best to include all the Pakistani famous Aquarius personalities. And this video is tribute to Muhammad Ali Sadpara, because Muhammad Ali Sadpara is not with us, so I really feel sad for him. I hope where is he now, that is more peaceful for his peaceful soul. May Allah bless him with the paradise. Ameen. My all prayers and all best wishes with him. Okay, so rest of the Aquarius whom are not with us, they are still alive and whom are still working. All the best, keep working on. You are the pride of the Pakistan and you are doing the great job in your field. What you are doing, you are the best. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, please give me thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and also share it. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.